from where you live.
All right, hey, it was Mrs. Hart's class today, Meadowlawn Elementary in Monticello. You know, this is just one of the best things about this job. I had fun with the kids. We joked around, but we learned a lot about tornadoes, severe weather, and a lot of severe weather safety. Special hello to her class up there in Monticello. We also talked about what's headed our way once we get into Thursday evening and Thursday night. This is winter weather advisory, Newton, Jasper, Benton. And I wouldn't be a bit surprised if areas north of Lafayette, say Pulaski, Fulton, maybe Miami and White go under winter weather advisory eventually. Why not Tippecanoe? Why not Clinton? Because the heaviest snow and sleet totals will tend to be north of Lafayette, but everyone will get in on snow, sleet, and freezing rain from this. You can see the counties currently under that, courtesy National Weather Service forecast office in Chicago. Winter storm watches and warnings are all off to the west. This is where this storm will be really bad. Central Illinois out towards Iowa, Missouri. You've got every color known out here. All these colors are some sort of winter weather alert. And we've got a blizzard warning actually in southeast Arizona and the higher elevation. So this storm means business, even an ice storm down here in Arkansas, but we're going to miss the worst of it because it's going to move like that. And a lot of the heaviest precip will be just west of our viewing area. There it is. Here's the viewing area, and this is the part that we'll get in by late tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. It's moving off to the northeast as the parent storm is still out towards Texas and New Mexico. That's what will bring the bit of a wintry mess to our area. So this will start to come in. I really think we're fair game in our southwest counties after 5 p.m. tomorrow. And the entire area will be in the snow, sleet, and freezing rain by midnight from Covington all the way to Rochester at that point. And eventually it'll change over to patchy drizzle and light rain on Friday morning as it warms up. Tonight, though, temp doesn't move much. The high clouds will tend to thicken with time. We'll be down to 14 by 4, but rise to 15 by 6 a.m. and wind chills in the single digits. Tomorrow, rising into the 20s, 25 by noon and 28 degrees by 6 p.m. Wind chills will be in the single digits to right around 11 as the winds crank up out of the east and the southeast by later on tomorrow. And then by Friday, we're going to really bring the warmer air in. Notice highs 35 to 40. So what could be a little bit of a messy pattern once we get into Thursday night, very early Friday morning will improve greatly as we get into Friday. So this is tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. We're going overcast. I think at that time, some snow and sleet will be approaching our southwest counties. And after 5, we're fair game for this. Notice the blue, that's snow, the pink, kind of a mix overspreading the area. There's 2 a.m. and finally there's 5 a.m. The freezing line working northward, and eventually as the snow and mix pull away, just a couple patches of drizzle and light rain kind of hanging on in the viewing area. Once we get into the early morning hours of Friday. I skipped through my total graphic, 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet with 1/10 of an inch of ice. I want to make sure I showed that. I'm trigger happy today. 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet area wide, 1/10 of an inch of glaze ice area wide from this too. 7-day forecast, there we go. 34 Saturday, 42 Sunday, 47 with rain coming in on Monday.
All depends on timing there on Friday morning, doesn't it?
It does. As the temperature rises above freezing, we'll go to a little bit of drizzle and light rain.
Okay, Chad, thank you.
Thank you, Chad. Well, just ahead, changes aimed at